If we look at the example, let's take a look first. This is the sample form at the top. Here, there's a panel, and then there's a label. This part says Product Management. That's the label. Then there's a text box and a button for clicking Search. Let's add a panel first. Okay, go to our project. Here, you'll notice that the toolbox is hidden, so let's show it. Go to the View menu first. Then find the word toolbox here. Do you see it? This is what toolbox will tell us. We'll use various controls from the toolbox. Type panel here, and now the panel shows up. Just drag it in. Now we have one panel. Next, let's set some of its properties. We'll make it stay at the very top. We'll do that in the Properties section right here. Select Top. Once you click it, the panel will be docked at the top, see? After that, you can adjust the width as you like. You can also drag it down here. I'll set it to about this size. Let's change the background color a bit. Go to the Back Color section here. Adjust the color however you want. There's no fixed rule for which color to use here. My project, I use a color like this. For the sake of speed, just pick any color you want. You don't have to follow the example, otherwise it'll take too much time. Next, we'll move on to the label section. Just drag it in. Adjust the size however you want. You can also change the text here as you like. But the color here is black, so you should change it to contrast with the background. Go to Font Color and set it to white. Okay, I'll use this color Windows White. Adjust the size according to your project. Now go to the font section. Give it a try. Right now, you'll need to experiment a bit to see what size works best. Let's set our form to about this size, around 28. You can also refer to the example. You can always adjust this later, so don't worry about it too much. Next, let's change the text here. Right now, it says Label 1. We're going to change it to Product Management. So go to the properties, specifically the text property. Name it Product. One space at a time, that's management. There you go, that's about it. Next, we'll add a text box. For searching information, just type in text box. Once you have it, drag it down like this. You can resize it right here, see? You can also change the font. Just go to the font properties as before and adjust the size however you like. I'll try setting it to 14, something like that. Go ahead and name it right here. We should give it a meaningful name because we'll be writing commands to control this element. So I'll name it Keyword or Text Block Keyword. In CSharp, when naming a text box, usually the first letter is lowercase. If you pay attention, when you drag different controls onto the form, the prefix in their names is lowercase. This is just a naming style, and you can choose whatever you prefer. For me, I use a lowercase letter for the first word, like text block, and the second word starts with an uppercase letter. See?